What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is your MeYayaG, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. So right now we are down here at the Riverwalk in San Antonio, and it is getting close to the Day of the Dead, El Día de los Muertos, and they have a bunch of little cool statues, alebrijes, and it's pretty cool. So let's walk through, let's take a look, and join us on today's day. Peace out. So we just finished having some delicious dinner. It was really bomb. I had some enchiladas de mole.
It had some aguachile de pescado.
Yeah, it was bomb. And a chile relleno. It was really good.
Mama
and
had her beans and rice with her taquitos.
Yeah. Hi, Pinches. Say hi. Wow. Wow.
¿Qué es? Show them.
¿Qué es?
¿Qué es?
But look, this is what she's looking at. We just enjoyed our dinner. It was delicious. And now we're gonna go do the little tour on the boat. And we might get on the, what is it called? Like the little,
like the carriage.
Yeah, the little carriage ride with the horse. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and check it out. guys, so we are currently on our way back to the car. We are calling it a night. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Hope you guys like this quick little video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you guys don't miss any new uploads. And with that being said, please remember to always love yourself, be positive, and live free. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Mama.